Viewers, today we will install Tailscale inside TrueNAS Scale. For this reason, we are first logging into the TrueNAS control panel. In the previous video, we showed how to install TrueNAS Scale. If you want to watch that video, it is available on our channel. You can check it out to see how to install TrueNAS Scale. To install Tailscale, we will first go to the tab named App Store. From there, we need to click on the icon named Discover. Look here, I am trying to show clearly where this icon is located. Next, you need to create a Tailscale account. For that, you have to go to the Tailscale website and click on Get Started. This will take you to the next step, where you can create an account. There, you will find multiple options to sign up for Tailscale. You can choose any option that suits you, but I believe selecting a Google account is the best and most convenient method. I have created an account using a Google account, and as you can see here, 4 devices are connected to this account. Now, using this account, I will configure Tailscale on the installed TrueNAS Scale. So, let's now go inside TrueNAS Scale, install Tailscale from there, and configure it. As you can see, we are inside the Application Discover section, and from here, if you type Tailscale, you will find the Tailscale app. Installing Tailscale is very easy. It can be installed quickly with just a few clicks, and anyone can install it without requiring any special skills. To install Tailscale, the first thing you need is an Auth key to configure it. Let's see where you can get this Auth key and how to use it. As you can see, the system is identifying the location of the error because we haven't installed any Auth key yet. So, let's first collect an Auth key. To collect the Auth key, we first need to go to the Tailscale website and navigate to the Settings section. Then, scroll to the bottom of the navigation panel and click on the keys icon. On the next page, you'll find the Auth key option. From there, you can generate the Auth key and copy it. To generate the Auth key, you first need to give it a name. In this case, we'll name it TrueNAS. After that, generate the Auth key, copy it, and then go to the TrueNAS panel. There, paste the key and run the installation command. After that, you will need to wait for a while for the installation to complete. As you can see, we have generated the Auth key, copied it, and then pasted it inside the Tailscale installation option in TrueNAS Scale. Now we are ready to install. Let's click on Install and wait for it to complete. Here, be patient and wait. It may take some extra time, but don't get impatient. Your effective steps will likely be completed in a short while. As you can see, my application has been installed in a very short time, and now the deployment process is underway. As you can see, the Tailscale application has been fully installed and has started working. Now, let's check if it has successfully connected inside the Tailscale panel, if it has received an IP address, and if that IP is working properly. I want to mention here that in order to access from another device, that device must be connected to the same Tailscale account, and Tailscale must be installed and connected on that device. Only then will one device be able to establish a connection with another device. As you can see, the Tailscale application inside our TrueNAS Scale is working perfectly. As soon as we provided the Tailscale IP, our TrueNAS Scale login panel opened up. If you enjoyed today's video, please make sure to stay with us, like, subscribe, and encourage us with your support.